In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you should know about the Anet A8. Coming up.
The Anet sells for $165 on GearBest. With the given code, you can get it at $139. The Anet arrives unassembled. All the build instructions are in the SD card. It takes around 4 to 8 hours for anyone to build it. Now, when I started building this, I made a lot of mistakes, which I have already shared on my Instructables. I will leave a link in the description so that you guys can check it out. I had used this printer for a long time and it's still working fine. I have made a lot of projects, out of which you have seen the mini Dremel and the fidget spinner. If you're interested to see my other projects, you can check my Instagram profile. I update there quite a lot about my daily projects. My first mod was to add some LED strips to the side of the printer. This makes the print look good while I'm recording it or just taking some casual snaps. The next thing was to add a better cooling. This semicircular design gives the best result for me. I also printed a button for the extruder. It made changing the filament easier than I could ever do without it. I also added a tensioner for the X-axis. This is a must if you want to eliminate all the ripples that originate in the print. I will be adding an auto leveling sensor on the X carriage and extend the SD card slot to the top of the printer. I also added a logo for the Anet as it doesn't have anything of its own when it arrived. I also tried the blue build surface, but then mostly I preferred to use a normal masking tape. The Anet is versatile when it comes to handle different material. It can easily print multi-material by using the pause and change filament technique as you have seen in my last video. The Anet can also print food easily. The thing is that you need to change the nozzle from the brass one to the hardened steel. I recently bought a spool of flexible TPU, and since the Anet is a direct drive extruder, it can handle the flexible material easily. Now I will be making some flexible projects in my channel. Make sure you subscribe to check that out. Also, I've seen recently that ceramic filament is available for FDM printers. So do you want to see ceramic and marble filament in the channel? Let me know in the comments below. At $165, the Anet is a printer that you can buy for starting your 3D printing journey. It takes a while to assemble it, but once you're done, you have a printer with a decent build volume of 220 by 220 by 240, which supports a variety of material. So this makes the Anet a good budget printer that everyone can afford.